Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having an issue with Google Chrome not syncing or the syncing is paused. So if you're coming across that error message and you're unable to sync up, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Google Chrome, select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, select Site Settings. If you go down on the right underneath Additional Content Settings, go ahead and expand that. And then there should be an item in here that says On-Device Site Data. Go ahead and select that. And where it says Allow sites to save data on your device, go ahead and make sure that is selected there. And then where it says Allow to save data on your device, you want to go ahead and select the Add button. Type in accounts.google.com and then select add. And then once you're done with that, you can close out of here, relaunch the browser, and hopefully you should be good to go. You may want to also attempt to clear cookies and other site data by going into the menu again and then selecting delete browsing data, and then clear your browsing data on your device and then relaunch the browser. And then hopefully your issue should be resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.